focus on this particular PT5, that is the asteroid which is named as PT5, which shall orbit the Earth for 2 months. Earth will experience a Hello students, welcome back to Pathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Pathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss a very important news, that is Earth's new moon. Now what is this new mini moon? We'll discuss in detail, so let's begin. Earth's new mini moon, that is asteroid 2024 PT5, to orbit for 2 months. Now let's focus on this particular PT5, that is the asteroid which is named as PT5, which shall orbit the Earth for 2 months. Earth will experience a temporary mini moon when asteroid 2024 PT5 orbits from the date of September 29 to November 25, 2024. This is the date and the deadline. That is, since it is a temporary, that is why this particular term will be used, because this moon shall orbit only from September 29 to November 25, 2024. Also, this orbit measures around 33 feet. This is the width, 33 feet wide, and it cannot be seen with the naked eye, but will surely be observable by professional telescopes. Also, the asteroid will return to Earth's orbit again in the year 2055. It has been discovered by NASA's Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, which is also known as the ATLAS in an abbreviated form, which on August 7, 2024 was discovered, and this asteroid measures approximately around 33 feet wide, and again which originates from the Arjuna asteroid belt, a region which is filled with various space rocks. The visibility and observation, as far as the visibility and observation is concerned, we'll look into detail one by one. The very first, the asteroid will not be visible. As already stated, it won't be visible to the naked eye. However, nor can it be easily seen through the binoculars or home telescopes due to its small size and dull rock composition. Also, as per Dr. Jennifer Millard, who says, an astronomer and a host of the Awesome Astronomy. He is the astronomer and the host of the Awesome Astronomy podcast. He says that professional telescopes will be necessary in order to detect the same. The orbit details one by one, we'll just look through it. Questions can be asked from this, so please do focus on these areas. The very first being 2024 PT5 will follow a horseshoe shaped orbit around the Earth. Since it is a this is a very temporary thing. It's not a permanent moon as such. It's a temporary one, and it is influenced by our planet's gravity. Moving ahead, it won't complete a full revolution since it's a temporary moon. Otherwise, it won't be completing the full revolution of Earth, but will instead be slightly altered in its trajectory. The asteroid will pass at a distance of approximately 2.8 million miles, that is 4.5 million kilometers from the planet of Earth, and it shall travel at a speed of around 22,000 miles per hour or 35,540 kilometers per hour. After its brief encounter, it is expected to return to heliocentric orbit, circling the sun like other celestial bodies. Moving ahead with the future encounters, the very first being asteroids like 2024 P25 are not uncommon. ये अनकॉमन नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत रेयर है, एकदम ऐसा रेयर होने वाला है, ऐसा कुछ वन ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट ऑफ रेयर थिंग विच इज गोइंग टू हैपन, बहुत अनकॉमन नहीं है, पहले भी ये सब हो चुके हैं, ठीक है, विल गेट इन डिटेल in the forthcoming slides, right? Similar mini moons have been observed in the past. For instance, the asteroid 2022 NX1, I'll just change the color and highlight this because this is not the very first moon that is, you are encountering with. पहले भी asteroid 2022 NX1 has orbited Earth multiple times, एक बार भी नहीं, multiple times, with its next expected return in 2055. After 2024 PT5, that is this particular moon, after the Earth's orbit, it will remain in proximity until its closest approach on January 9, 2025. It is expected to be the closest on January 9, 2025, wherein on this particular date it is expected that बहुत proximity रहेगी, बहुत closed view रहेगा और January 9, 2025 में we can expect this to happen. Lastly, researchers believe it will again return to Earth's orbit in approximately 30 years. That is the date which is expected 2055. The importance of the observation. Now, what is the importance of the observation of this particular orbit of this mini moon? Right? We'll get in detail in just 2 points. This event underscores the dynamic nature of our solar system. Also, the vast number of undiscovered objects in space. Followed by Dr. Milad's view on this particular observation. He says that he emphasizes the need for continuous monitoring of the night sky in order to identify and study these celestial bodies, as 2024 PT5 was only discovered this year. That's all for today. You can subscribe to the Telegram channel of Pathshala Classes for study materials and expedient doubt redressal. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pathshala Classes for regular updates. And thank you so much for being with us.